Kusharoo. This my mom's dog, Kush. The good thing is she's still a part of the family. The bad thing is she done went blind. Just found out. She's still a enjoyable dog. Miniature Doberman. It's me right here. Kush. She go crazy when my mom like pull up and stuff. Cause the crazy thing about it is when we first got her, we done had her for about at least 7 years. But crazy thing about her, we thought she was a boy, but my mom got the wrong dog. We were supposed to get a boy dog, but we ended up getting a girl dog. So funny story. But yeah, man, tell me what your favorite animal is in the comment section. You know, if you had to be an animal, what would you be? And why? I just wanted to do something different for the channel. Cause I was supposed to go home today, but shit, I had to go check on my mom's and stuff. Cause I ain't seen it in about 800,000 years. Cause she always telling me I always stay in my room too much and shit. You know, I go to work, come home, and stay in my room most of the time. So I just had to come on here and, you know, check up on her. Me and my sister over here, we just wanted her to come back from the grocery store. So I just wanted to come on here and hang out with my main girl, Kush. Kusharoo. Yeah, she's still doing her thing. Don't get her around other dogs. He'll just start going crazy and stuff. Mm. All right, y'all. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Say bye, Kush. She said bye, y'all.